I did everything for you. But what did I get in return? You abandoned me for that son of a bitch.
Please, please, I'm sorry. It won't happen again, please, I promise. Please, please.
You must die.
Please, I'm sorry. I promise it won't happen again, please.
Now you tell me why I shouldn't kill you.
You know I love you.
What didn't I do for you, Juliana? Made you every inch a woman.
I'm sorry.
But you made a laughing stock of me. Humiliated me all over the place. Betrayed me. You threw all in my face. So I'm taking you down the road where all betrayers go.
I'm promising you. I'm so sorry, please. You know I love you.
Is that a promise?
Yes, yes, it's a promise. Please.
He wouldn't let her go. He just can't let go. Oh, he's burning with desire, and only she can put out his fire. 'Cause she is his sweetest desire. She is his sweetest desire. She's like a pretty bird in a cage. She's so afraid of his outrage. She wants to go to be with someone else, but he won't let her go. He wants her for himself. But she wants to be free, but he won't let her be.
Mommy, I'm very scared. Chief is a very terrible man. You should have seen what happened last night. He wanted to kill me. Hey, my spirit even left me, and I was so scared. Becoming too deadly for my comfort. So, what are you going to do about it? Ma, I've got no choice just to let I go. You know my life is very important. I can't, and besides I love him. I can't do anything. I have to let him go. I think it will be better. Oh God. Deliver us from the hand of evil. My enemies will not get me. I reject it in Jesus' name. Amen. So, Mom, where is Papa? Oh, didn't you see him? Chief. He's lying.
How can you break my heart after all I've done to protect you?
As I told you earlier, you know, my life is at risk. And I'm not ready to die now.
The man has no power over you. I told you time and time that I'll be around and protect you. What is your problem?
You don't understand. What about when you're not around to protect me? you're gonna be around every day? No. My life is very, very important to me. Please, I'm sorry. This relationship needs to end now. I'm not ready to die this young.
So you want to end this relationship now?
Come on, don't do that, please. There's no, trust me, no need.
Julie,
I understand it's painful, but
don't do this. Please don't go.
I'm sorry. No need, please. I have to go. I'm sorry. Okay?
You can't do this.
I'm sorry, Ike. Please.
Please don't go. Please come back. You know I need you so much. Mr. Bachman, let me set the record straight. I am backing off not because I'm afraid of you nor your gangsters. I don't give a damn about your blood clock, bumble clock. I don't respect all those things that you have. I'm backing off because I respect Juliana. And you and I know Juliana has nothing but love for me.
Two things. You called me Mr. Bachman. That shows respect. And then you respect Juliana a lot. Now it is me, Nana Akwesi Bachman, CEO, Intercontinental Conglomerates, who raised her to that standard, that status, that made her command your respect. So you see, it all comes back to me. Now leave my office.
And one other thing I want you to know. Anytime she calls me that she wants me, I'm coming back.
Leave my office.
And nobody can stop me. There's no black clock, bomber clock can stop me.
He won't let her go. Oh no, he just can't let go. He's burning with desire, and only she can put out his fire, 'cause she is his sweetest desire. Sweet desire. She is his sweetest desire.
Get me the chicken.
What's the name?
Are you laughing? That's good. What were you doing in there?
I was removing them.
Get me some napkins too. Hurry.
What's that name? Big dance?
And help me with your fork. Oh, God. Katie, do you care for chicken? I know.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sweet boy. Good. Too much.
I'm good.
He's put it a little bit, but not too much.
No, Eunice, when was the last time you saw him? And then you're talking about facts, not being on his body and all that.
Oh, you asked me.
Mom and I, we're always on the internet.
Internet?
Yeah, with the webcam. So she sees me, I see her.
Okay, so you have life-size internet screens?
Almost.
Why don't you pour yourself some more?
Oh, so you knew I would talk.
You reminded me.
Oh, God.
Sometimes I wonder whether your mother married me or she married you.
Anyway, that's how boys are. Boys are fond of their mothers. It's natural. That's how it is.
And so soon the attention shifts to the sons. And not the originators of the sons.
Not the producers.
Not the producers. No. Okay. And the plane is can feed a kg child.
Oh. Let me have a look at that tattoo.
Oh, Mom.
Yes. Have you noticed it?
I see some A, J, the Z, and it looks like the Z is carrying all of them.
Very funny. Very funny.
In the seat like that.
Look, Kelly, your mom is just speaking these things I don't understand. Pulling your legs on. After all, he's looking athletic. What is that? Are you indirectly telling me to exercise?
Investment or what?
No, you've not been doing your duty properly.
I see. I'm scared the accent of Jane. Why? Is anything wrong?
Mom, the last time I was here, you were wearing only... Wow, that was very rich.
Don't try to change the topic. Have you heard from Jane?
No, Mom.
Why?
I just got in. I've been away for a while. Can you just relax a little bit? I know Jane is there. She's always been there for me. She'll be there.
Kelly, Jane has waited for you so long. She's waited so long for you. And now that you have come to stay for good, I think the first thing you must do, the first thing you must do is to settle down with her.
Yeah, son, your mother is right on that score. As the saying goes, behind every success. Now you stop playing with your mom.
There he goes again. Will you tell him to get married?
But you seem to be enjoying it.
Anyway, he's my only son. Must stop mumming me all the time. Mommy.
Okay, on a more serious note, you see, as I was saying, behind every successful man is a woman, so it's important you started thinking about settling down. You know, this house is crying so loud for the sound of babes.
Oh!
Right.
For my grandchildren. I need them to loiter around here.
Cut your mom a glass.
And stop mumming me all the time.
Take my own.
I want you.
Mom, I know, I understand. I just need a little time. Let me just get used to the system. I've been here for like 6 years. Let me just get in the system and I will get married sooner than you think. Sooner?
Yeah, makes sense.
How sooner?
Oh,
Makes sense.
I like the slippers.
Thank you. How soon are you going to get married?
No, you have to understand where he's coming from. He says, it just came. And you know, you don't rush into things like marriage.
So how long did it take you and mother to get married?
No, that's going too far.
For 6 good years, and you called only 6 times. That was not fair, huh?
I know, I'm sorry. Okay? I wish I had called more times. But at least I called you on the most important days of your life. Your birthdays. Huh? Give me some credit.
Come on. 6 times was not good enough.
I know, and I said I'm sorry. Will you forgive me? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, baby, I would like to know why you did
With those foreign babes.
I didn't do anything.
Naughty.
Okay. I would rather show you what I did not do with them. And just do?
Yeah. At least I miss you.
Okay. Alright. Let's go. Off we go. Help me out. Okay. There was this time I told you I was 2 years ago. And you don't know if you were at this party. Who did you go to? You told me you were at this party.
evening and welcome. My goodness. Sweetheart? My goodness. You are fucking great. Come on, give me a hug, come on. Come on, give me a proper hug. I have been looking for you all over the town. Where have you been?
Papi, please. I'm in a hurry now. I have to go somewhere with my friends. I will explain everything to you when I get back. Huh?
Jane? Are you hiding something from me?
Me? Hiding?
No. I have been to your friends and...
Jane, sweetheart.
Yeah.
Is there a problem here?
No.
The gentleman bothering you? Hi, I'm Kelly. Is there a problem here?
Jane? He called you sweetheart? My God. So you mean you have been dating this guy behind me, right?
Jane, what's happening here?
Jesus Christ.
Jane. Oh, wait, Jane. Is he right? Is he right? Who are you?
Do you want to know who I am? Okay.
Yeah.
I'll tell you. Jane here is my fiancée, if you care to know. You can take a close look at her finger. My God. Jane? Where is the ring? Jane? This ring. I gave it to her. Now it's in her handbag.
Jane.
I wonder. Jesus Christ.
Jane. Is he right? Is he
You
right?
yourself. I am telling you, this woman is my woman. And you are asking her if I am right.
Jane, is he your fiancé? Jane. Jane. Is he your fiancé?
Kelly, please. It's not what you think.
Jane. Jane. Jane.
Hey. Gentlemen, my name is Kelly, alright? I'm just a friend to Jane. Just a friend, nothing more. Jane, I'll see you around. Okay?
Kelly. Kelly.
Now you listen. I don't want to see you near Jane. Because she is taking you for a ride. Now out! 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 Nonsense!
I swear to God, I had so much fun. Oh my God, and it's been so long since I've been out. God. Really? Can you stop dancing? I'm talking to you. Gosh. You and your dancing mood.
Aren't you happy? Juliana, come on. Come on, give it to me. Yeah, I like that. Woo, that's my girl.
Oh my God.
Hi.
You guys look like you're having fun.
Really? As you can see.
Yeah, I can see that. I'm sorry to interrupt, alright, but I was passing by and your friend looks very familiar.
Sorry?
Have you lived in Maryland before in the US?
No, I've never traveled out of this country. Sorry, it's wrong person.
Well, okay, I'm sorry. My bad. I just thought maybe I've seen you, maybe it was Chicago, I don't know. But you look like a friend I know, she's real pretty like you.
I said it's wrong person, sorry.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
Well, you should be.
But if you guys are alone, go in and have a drink. My name is Kelly.
Oh, I'm Shasha. That's my friend Juliana.
Nice to meet you.
You don't need to introduce me.
Kelly. Nice to meet you. So we go in?
No, I'm not. Hey. He's a stranger. You don't even know him.
Come on, baby girl. You see that car? I mean, the car is what I mean. Come on, it's a nice car.
Who cares? Look. Let me tell you this. I told you. I'm sick of these young boys. Look, let me stick with the old men. And I had enough troubles already. I don't want any more troubles, please. God.
I'm not playing here, Julian. Come on, baby girl. No, me. Just give me a try, right?
Look. Come on, baby. This is last time. Okay? Last time.
Okay.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
Just what's this girl at all up to? What is her up to? Opolo! Opolo! Where is your Madame Juliana?
Chama, she never come back home.
She hasn't come back? You mean she hasn't come back since the last time I was here?
Yes, Chama.
Switched off. Switched off. Okay, you go back to your room.
Okay, that way.
have you been for the past 2 days, Juliana?
Nana, I thought I told you my friend's parents were in a car accident. So I just attended the funeral.
I don't think I have any knowledge of that. And is that why you switched off your phone?
How could I do such a thing, Nana? My phone is not off. Look, I forgot my charger. So the battery went off.
Did you see a funeral?
Yeah.
Must be a super jam's funeral.
Nana, why are you asking me all these questions? You don't trust me anymore.
Come on, Juliana, baby. You know I trust you. But who dropped you at the gate?
It's just my friend's brother.
Let me warn you. If ever I get you cheating on me, I swear, I'll kill you. I'll kill that son of a bitch as well.
Nana.
Don't forget that.
Nana, trust me. Come on, you know I love you. I swear to God, I'm not doing anything shifty. And I will never do that to you. Come on.
Let's hope it's true.
You know I love you. Why would I do such a thing to you? Trust me. Come on, let's go inside. Come on. Apollo, lock the gate, please.
Oh, Lord God Almighty.
So how long have you been here?
As long as you were away.
Omule, come.
Small guy.
What's wrong with you? Do you know how long I was at the gate last night honking?
I'm sorry. Yesterday I was sick. That is why I didn't hear your homie name.
My what? My homie?
Yes, sir.
It's honking.
Oh, sorry, sir. I'm sorry. I didn't know.
I was here last night, honking the whole time. Nobody opened the gate. So I had to go back.
Hey, Emily, where were you yesterday? Huh? Where were you when he came?
I was sick.
Nonsense, keep quiet. You were slow.
Sorry, ma'am.
Look at him.
Thank you, ma'am.
Stupid fool.
I'm a big guy and I can take care of myself.
I know, honey, but Ghana is different from the US. Jane was here yesterday. Have you seen her?
And Jane and I, we are history. We're through. It's over.
You are what?
It's over.
You must be kidding.
I'm not kidding. Seriously. We're done.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Very.
Have you taken in something? You look wretched.
Come on.
Go have a shower.
Always flat. Not like that. Like
go have a shower and then I get you some.
Yes. What is it you wanted to talk to me about?
I need you to understand what I'm gonna tell you now. And that is the truth.
I'm listening.
You know, if I have to be grateful to anyone, that person should be you. And I've been thinking, and I thought I have to let you know. You picked me up from the gutter and made me someone. Look at me now. I got everything that a woman needs. I can't ask for much. But the truth is, Nana, I don't love you. And I'm just begging you, please, to let me go. Please.
Juliana, what you are asking me to do is going to be pretty difficult. Because if you remember, that day when I gave you my card, I did say that go back home and turn everything around in your mind. And when you have arrived at your decision, give me a call. And you did make that call. Because I did tell you that I'm going to help you. I'm going to do all that I have done for you on one condition: that you marry me, that you become my wife.
No.
And so you see, it's going to be pretty difficult to let go of you, because it's going to destroy me as well.
Banana, you don't understand. I've been trying my best to develop the love for you. But it's not coming. I've been searching as well. It's not coming. Besides, Nana, you got a wife, you're married.
Maybe you've not been trying good enough. And concerning me having a wife, it doesn't hold water. Fact is, we've come too far to part company. It's not going to be easy to let you go. I'm sorry, I can't do it.
Nana, I'm sorry. I have to leave. I'm sorry, please. I have to.
Juliana, just you be careful you don't do anything stupid. And if you're thinking of sending me 6 feet below, I'm going to send you 18 feet below faster than you think.
Nana, is that a threat? You're not threatening me, are you?
Not exactly.
Well, anyway, I'm sorry, I have to leave. Goodbye.
Juliana is now trying to throw dust into my eyes. She's begun treading on dangerous grounds, and you know what that means. Don't touch her. But make sure no mania of hers lives to tell a long story. Do you understand? And when the job is done, report back to me.
He wouldn't let her go. He just can't let go. Oh, he's burning with desire, and only she can put out his fire.
Yes.
'Cause she is his sweetest desire. She is his sweetest desire.
Chairman says clear off his wife.
I asked him to prune the flowers. Emily! So how did you finish this piece of work I gave you?
I was playing the other side.
Oh, come on, hey! Aspiano, get in my car. It's on the center table. Hey, come on, I just told you. I said, get me my car. Nonsense, look at me. What are you doing? Aspiano! Aspiano, what is the key? Can you get the phone at the gate? What is wrong with you? Oh, Kelly. What? Oh my goodness! What is up? Kelly? What is this to you? Jesus. Hey! Come and help me! Jesus Christ! Are you okay? Are you okay? What is this to you? Oh my God! Oh my goodness! Kelly, what is this to you?
Moga!
Hey! Kelly, talk to me!
Hey, Oga. I'm rubbish.
Oh, Jesus Christ!
Yeah, punch you like this. Hey! This punch is too much, Oga. Next time I go full.
Get me my phone! Hurry up! My phone is in the bag. Call daddy for me!
Everywhere.
Tell him Kelly's dying. He should come right now.
I'll fight anybody come around. Hey!
Handle him well. Handle him well.
Yeah, we can do.
Jesus Christ.
Hey! Moga.
Hello, honey. Honey? Hello, honey.
Sorry.
Kelly has been attacked by armed robbers. Honey, he's dying. Please come in right now. So that we call the doctors to attend to him in the house. Please. Honey, he can't walk. Yes. Yeah, okay. See then, honey.
From here, but everywhere you go, I'll follow you. I'll fight the armed robbers.
So you gonna go with me?
Why not? You gonna take me?
Of course, I will. I'll take you anytime. Whenever you like. I don't know.
You have been asked to stay out from her.
What is it?
Please.
Shut up! Sit down!
He's just afraid.
Shut up! What is it?
Hello?
Mr. Chairman, I have the bastard here in Madam's house.
Got him.
Yes, sir.
Great. Now make sure he doesn't move an inch. Okay? I should love to see this son of a beach. I'll be there in the next 20 minutes, alright?
Well. Chairman wants to see your beautiful face. Sit down.
It's just a...
Down! Down.
Please.
Don't make a move. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Chairman. All right, sir. You are damn lucky. Have a nice day.
Oh my God! Somebody help me!
Get up. Get up. Come on and get up. Get up. Please, get up. It's okay. Get up. Get up. It's okay. Everything's under control. Come on. Control yourself, please. Please, lady. All right. Let me see. It's okay. Come on, please. Madam, please. Please, calm down.
Please, calm down. It's okay. Calm down. It's okay.
Get up. Get up. Come with me. Come with me. Get up.
It's okay.
It's okay.
There is a major crisis.
Major crisis?
Yes.
So how does it concern you?
You scared me! What do you want to tell us?
Now, Paul, what's all this?
Who was in my house?
Paul, come on.
Chief,
Madam,
I hope that's not true.
I'm sorry. But Nana, you are under arrest for murder.
Murder?
Yes.
Says who? Look, Paul, it is some kind of joke, drop it.
If it is this girl who lodged that complaint,
Please forget it.
because my husband tells me their relationship is over. Exactly. It's a lie!
Exactly.
This is the picture of the young man you ordered murdered.
Sleeping with my son?
Hannah, I didn't know he was your son.
Jesus Christ.
I was trying to explain it to you so many times, but you wouldn't listen. When I heard him, I fallen down. I couldn't help it.
Now, let's go. Take him. Take him away.
You can take him away. Take him away. Kelly is the only thing I have in this world. He is the only child I have in this world.
So we. Sir.
Take your car.
I'm going to get me my son. And they can take you to hell. I don't care. Get me my son.
Madam, please.
Give me my son before you go to hell.
Please, calm down.
Just give me my son.
Please.
And you can go to hell.
Madam, please calm down. Please calm down. Please.
Kelly is the only child I have in this world.
It's okay.
Please.
He is the only one I have.
It's okay.
Please calm down. Please calm down. Please calm down. Please calm down.
Please
calm down.
God, I just sure could see.
Madam.
Oh God. Oh God. I don't know what I do. Now you silly girl. You skinny prostitute. You short prostitute. I want you, didn't I? I want you. Where is she? I want you, didn't I? Officer, please.
Come on.
I want you, didn't I?
Come on.
I want you. I want you, didn't I?
Please.
I want you, didn't I?
It's okay.
Look at what you've done to me.
It's okay. Calm down.
May the blood of Kelly be upon your head.
Control yourself.
May it be upon your head. God. God. Where do I go for Kelly? Where is he? Where is Kelly? I've been showing him where he is so that I go for my son.
is burning with desire, and only she can put out his fire, 'cause she is his sweetest desire. She is his sweetest desire. It's like an obsession, just like possession. She has entered his blood, and his feelings for her is flowing like a flood. Although he has another, he's old enough to be her father. He wants her for himself. He can't stand her with no one else. She wants to be free of him, but he won't let her be.